Message. Voice of Justice. Entertainment. That is how we do. Johnny Bizugbe. Unto hour of progressive to our people. Unto hours of liberation to our people. Unto hour of freedom of speech. So, sorry, I'm going to deliver a message to my community by my language. So, don't be offended if you don't hear that, whatever I'm saying. But you go to my community. God bless you, everyone. So, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever you're watching me for. Anytime, this is 2:30 p.m. In the morning in Europe, but we call it midnight. So we are doing this do where ipo magbe wa ejoyi and two wita dole we said na pawore and wale pawore we are mainstream here based of say when I am wagmo. So a message now is a message to my people, my family, my brothers, my sisters, my those who know say me. This is what you're supposed to do in your community if you are fighting in any freedom for children to live from and to live and liberate from any hands of evil or in any hands of captivity, you know. And this is how we do. I repeat myself, Johnny Bizugbe. I must surely continue saying the truth to the world. The truth shall set you free. I must surely set me free and protect me. God bless you, everyone. So, if you have a message now of your warrior, Obaseki and Ezena Bizugbe, the son of Avigo community, Orion local government, Benin City, Edo State, Benin City. So, anyway, idea Ibudinari, attack me any idea now. You have a go no bell. Como piano, como hono, que no variaye, agmoama wa ama, wari mavete, even no saye no wa, redagmoa, uwa mi yawo. Obok bagiro, azan bagiro, no weni ye bobo ya siwa yeke. Osalobo no giazi, no dazi no jagmo no jeyemi, no ewe, emi ya fefe de ni enjue, emi ya fefe no ya diagmo ya jeyo alilue. Mais nous m'en avons vu amakare ti gbo wa mi we yawo agmo ama we kenu waye o ewe bono o wa no isi no kenu waye ene John no be Bizugbe the message na go wa we agmo ama wa no yawo and so agi agmo. So ina be le ma we ni be the advice ne so wo no ye we Osalobo nyati wagona. No my hand wo Osalobo nyati wagona. No we ya asio tinye sikoto ya asio bijin sikoto ya asio ri sikoto roda we ume awokun ni na ya we ni eni yaro pa me bo me tin ro pa be kere etun saye ma ya hon ni owe awon no believe bo wina ebo o isena. Normal believe ye no one where of you saying and is a freedom. No say we no do time away and the message no say we no do give you okonu ga o mego okonu ga die ono na hin e no na where sise nwan we me o ma ti ya gbegbon o we tell you say where again Moses na lead onwa Jesus gain le no ga teme no ga taye o even Peter to boy for to go and say the word of God. So when they go where if you woman have you go no bewo where a sene it time why can't be messages so why am ni bona yin yame even though say no there in the bonye yin yame where oge mi do dollar ni hewewo ni la wo ya hem no sunu even o ta se we do gun yan ga ilu hewo ni e gon do alu hewo ni ogele do mi na where mama wo no jebe yo ina di muela tin wa kota na we a message na iwo no go wa and iwo no wa tiko na and iwo no gba no wa en we ojon we ga gu e su popa ake mo ojon we owe yo e su popa ake wo ke ojon we gi na hin no igba oge wo e wo ni o pe wo no e mo no biele no la jan we wo ni no yo kan to we wo ni o no yo nde da ze na gi biera na gi bije ne obungbe no ro wa gbon na gbon ma no se ke we o wa na hin we ri o wi na hin no we ni ebe se va be if no ya me tono na ire do me e do we wa mama wa poro ugbo we na we be dole wi wa gbon keke nu ko wa sun e bi Yesu betia na lita ma we o me mi no pa no ata betu tamia wo saloboa o e tia na ogie were and you will succeed o e bonu no du me yakoa mi no pa sunu ma hen ni ya saloboa etin emi o pa mi no saloboa pa ji ayete dun emi ne suji ayete dun e the one say we okpe no ke area. So let me go to my message. So where idodolo wu na ni dododo ya wu ogbera 1 year ne mama ihe we ojon we la de na wo ni mama ihe we yan ti obi ege e John idodolo o Francis ni ata ma we no bi kuro le lo ye mama ihe we eri asojon wo we la po ne and ibi do nzo mo ibi abi go no pe wo wa he we egbe yo ni ma sun de eri idodolo ye ti do fi mi ya wo ye o ni no do ya kin we enoge eri kin bi no ga ti egbe ibe ni yen wu na ni Francis do ri ku e o we gbe we do ri ku ra o Johnny we gbe we do kin John we mama ni de video o ya me pe message na ye media because why e media say aeti do ayin mi amena do ayin mi e para no ma pa no ma evani na mi na yin mi all what I want freedom in my father's land. Freedom to everybody, freedom of speech from any direct individual family. Any family no get woni rene or egbe no bira no egbe no biyo no a family of ogikin. I want all to have freedom. Ose we ra gay. Uswe no gwani ya wa ya hon we woni we omo no wa ko to wa wanre no we no yoji no saloboa na roji no su no wa so na we die message na go wa me afi go no pe wo se cause wa vi do pa o ogu de dollar kana wa adu ko din we ni adu e wo wo no bun ni me e wo e di ojon we me ke pa be wo ni re even ke akebe bi o me adu e ne wo no bun so sene na ya mi we ikoni ojon we so wa be gbe and sene na ya zo din we ye wo ni na mi wo din we o be or existing so that let the community continue because why we na be zo we ni idodolo ze gbe owune na be miewe na be zovi aga be zovi eboni yeti we do feel with your working no man working win a working job or anything because many people are there to support that community to make sure say everybody unites. For me a message now if you wona ikawari ere wa dai orion and na make sure we na mwese sene na aya tawe ojon we ovi ogirupo be avi go no pe woni yokolyon atomo ni wa to wa pe iho wa be message na ni reply manari mi o ni ando ta no do ye we e ma ya fefe no wi le kin ro da we yen ge mu wa do lo ku level no bun but this time where eriaka wa le kin so we have to come together and we have to come together to make sure say the young shall grow ni rewo ni they will not continue what our father have learned or what our mother have learned. We have to change society and we have to change the planet. God bless you everyone. Good night.